Bjorn the Fell-Handed, also known as the eldest, true claw, revered one and last of the company of Russ, is a venerable Mars pattern Mark V dreadnought and former Great Wolf of the Space Wolves chapter. He is also the oldest living Space Marine in the Imperium of Man, but in his mortal life he fought beside the Emperor and his Primarch Leman Russ during the Great Crusade and the bitter wars of the Horus Heresy. More than 10,000 Terran years have passed since the Age of Legends, yet Bjorn remains a living link to the chapter's distant past, and it is little wonder that his counsel is sought by many within the Space Wolves when they grid for war. Despite his extreme age, Bjorn is a steadfast warrior and lumbers into battle, entombed within the sacred sarcophagus of his dreadnought. A venerable hero of immense power, Bjorn has masterminded many of the Space Wolves' greatest victories, and by his hand have some of the Imperium's most heinous adversaries been slain. Always eager to crush their foes of the Allfather, Bjorn continues to fight amongst his chapter ranks as he has done. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.